Hi, I'm Dana Summers. I'm a cartoonist and novelist. Through high school, I drew hot rods and, that kind of thing. Went to the Art Institute of Boston and continued on from there. Actually wanted to be a comic strip artist, but then all of a sudden Watergate happened, and I noticed all of these cartoonists just having a great time. Well, in editorial cartoons, you can be funny or you can be serious. But in a case such as, say, the 9/11 attack, something like that, you're going to be doing something serious because there's nothing funny about that. That the one that got the most reaction was the Challenger cartoon when the Challenger space shuttle blew up. Newsroom was crazy. Happened at 11:30 in the morning, roughly. And so Ralph Dunnigan and I, both cartoonists there, had to come up with an idea by 2 o'clock in the afternoon because they were putting on a special section on the tragedy. I met one president, George H.W. Bush. He invited 10 cartoonists to go to a White House luncheon. I was lucky enough to be included in that. That's right. In addition to George H.W. Bush, the cartoonists one year had a convention in Washington, D.C., and President Reagan invited us to the Rose Garden where he gave us a speech, having Reagan point to a huge blow-up version of my cartoon. And so that was pretty special for me. When I was a kid, in addition to the cartooning, I read like crazy. I read all of the Hardy Boy mysteries. And so it was always in the back of my mind that I thought I could write a novel. And over 15 years or so, I decided to give it a shot and finally came up with Drawn and Buried, my first novel, which had to do with a political cartoonist. And surprise, who worked in Florida. So that's where I am right now. And not sure what the future holds for me, but I'm looking forward to whatever it is.